Hi guys, welcome back to Chitter Chatter. Another day, another guest. Thank you first for waiting for this live and having the patience. Sorry we couldn't start at 4 o'clock like we had promised, but we are still here because Zen was a little busy. And I'm sure जैसे आपको इंतजार है उसके नए शो का क्रैश ऑन Z5 which is going to premiere on 14, वैसे ही आपने इतना इंतजार तो हमारे लाइव के लिए कर ही लिया. But Zen is right here and we are not going to waste any time. We are going to start our chitter chatter right away. I am sending him a request and let's just get it. Keep the hearts flowing in and keep the messages going in. He's all
Hola!
Hello!
Hi. I am so sorry to have kept you waiting. Maddening day, maddening day. I mean, since the show is about the corner and last minute dubbings and whatnot. Yeah, I can't even describe some personal work, then dubbing. I'm straight coming from dubbing and here. I'm so sorry about that for the delay. Sorry
No
to have
worries.
kept you waiting for so
No worries. Your fans are all
long.
excited. All I kept getting, when are you all coming live? When are you all coming live? And I'm like, you're coming.
Fans are always excited, and I'm so in love with them that I have to meet them all, but I cannot do that, of course. But it's crazy, yeah. I mean, but so good to see you after so long.
Likewise, Zen. It's been too long, but I'm glad that finally we met. Live ही सही, but मिलना तो हुआ.
जी, जरूर. आप बताएं.
So
Have you been?
all set for Crash. We all are all set for the premiere on 14th.
Oh yes, indeed, indeed. I mean, it's a lot of pressure on us, but I also cannot wait for the show to go on air, and I'm actually waiting for people to give in feedbacks and write in the comment box and DM us, telling how they like the show and the characters. But all the characters are so twisted and complicated in their own way that once you start watching it, it's like a different sort of an aura going around every character. So yeah, so I just cannot wait for the show to go on air.
While you're talking about character and the Aura's character, we've heard that you are playing this character, Dr. Rishabh Sachdev, who's a guy that every girl wants to take home to her parents because he's a good listener, he is a secret to keeper, and everything that a girl wants. So how true is that?
That's actually very true because he's ever so charming. I mean, I've never played the Doctor in my entire life, and this is the first time I've been. I'm sure ki, whenever Ekta ma'am must have thought of something. I mean, she must have seen something in me that only I can play this character, and hence she'd approach the creatives to approach me, and I said yes to it. So this character that I'm playing, Dr. Rishabh, is a very suave. He does not speak much. Has a doesn't care damn attitude, and अपनी एक कान से सुनता है, दूसरे कान से निकाल देता है, सुनता सबकी है, करता अपनी है, और he's very respectful towards others, and एक बहुत ही different character, बहुत ही कम बोलता है. Likewise, even if I can relate well to the character because I do not speak much. मैं भी बहुत कम बोलता हूँ. So but in such a way कि आप जैसी पहली बार इस कैरेक्टर को देखेंगे ना, you'll fall in love with him. आप सोचेंगे कि then why is he not even speaking up? I mean, क्यों नहीं बोल रहा, कम क्यों बोल रहा है, इतना like what's hidden and उसके mindset में चल क्या रहा है. He's like that, different है.
So जैसे आपने कहा similarity between Dr. Rishabh और आपकी ये है कि आप ज्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं and people can keep thinking. So please आप चिटर चैटर में बात करते रहिएगा. All about चिटर चैटर.
Yes. I वैसे normally तो मैं काफी चिट चैट करता हूँ once I open up with somebody, but otherwise I am very secretive and I like my own space. I don't really intrude into other personal किसी की personal life में I don't really intrude and कम बोलता हूँ, but जब बोलता हूँ तो अच्छा ही होता है.
So what is one character of Dr. Rishabh that you think यार ये negative character है इसका? क्योंकि वैसे तो वो है एक बंदा जिसको आपको घर लेके जाना है, but कुछ तो negative होगा उसके बारे में.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ ग्रे तो है नहीं इसके बारे में, क्योंकि he is out and out positive only. I mean ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इसमें नेगेटिव है या एंड अगर आप पोस्टर भी देखेंगे ना, देयर फोर सिबलिंग्स आर ऑन वन साइड एंड आई एम ऑन अ डिफरेंट साइड. सो पूरा कैरेक्टर जो है एस्टैब्लिश कर रहे हैं, वी ट्राइंग टू एस्टैब्लिश दिस कैरेक्टर इन दिस फर्स्ट सीजन. And in this particular season, the story is about the four siblings and how I come into their lives, and how am I connected to the two sisters who've been crushing on me since childhood. But वो पता नहीं होता क्योंकि obviously there's a crash that happens initially first episode में, and जो ये चार siblings हैं ये लोग जुदा हो जाते हैं, and then how they come back, and उनके फिर दिमाग में क्या क्या चल रहा है ना, उनके आपस में कैसे मिलते हैं वो लोग जाके, एंड हाउ आई गेट इनटू अदिति, काजल's life and Anushka's life, Alia's life. And so it's the story about that. It's a very twisted kind of a thing, not like a typical family drama, but still you can watch it as a family.
So while these girls are crushing on you, both the sisters are crushing on you, the girls who are crushing you are sending in the hearts. Do you want to tell them something?
What should I say? I mean, I don't know. I'm too shy to say this. I don't know.
Stop blushing. Please tell them something. Because girls are like full on sending hearts. Like, but they are there. So something for them.
Maybe एक heart भेज देता हूँ. Maybe एक बड़ा सा heart भेज देता हूँ यार. So no, I think it's just that Valentine's is around the corner, and it's just like just about any day, any other day. You don't have to have a particular day to make somebody special. So अगर आप कपल हैं तो देखिए हमारा शो 14 फरवरी को रिलीज हो रहा है, साथ में बैठ के देखिए. Is all I want to say to them right now, and to all the girls, and they know that I love them all the fans, even boys too यार. लाइफ पे गाय भी होंगे and girls भी होंगी, so I'm sure love them all.
How was it working with the siblings, the four main characters, the siblings? What was your journey with them, and how was it working with them?
Well, the entire cast and crew have been really good. Anushka is a TikTok star. Aditi's I've known her since a while now, 1.5-2 साल से, I guess. So this is the first time we're working together. Great bonding with these two girls, and also Kunj and Raza is. I had not known them पहले से, but इन दोनों को मैं जानता था. But a great cast, and everybody so worked hard in this particular series. No, when you see the series, you'll get to know कि यार कितनी layers हैं हर एक character में. So everybody's put in their hard work, and I just wanna see कि भाई कैसे निकल के आता है. तो अभी dubbing में तो अच्छा लग रहा था. When I just saw the dubbing अभी, तो the scene looked amazing. I just hope that सबको पसंद आए ये.
I'm sure trailer though was appreciated and loved by all. So I'm very sure that even this series is going to be loved, and everyone is going to crush over Crash. That's for sure.
Inshallah.
There's no doubt
Inshallah. Yeah.
Inshallah. So what is it which is... Tell us one funny moment while shooting for Crash.
One funny moment. So once we were, we'd actually shot at different locations in town, जो normally लोग shoot नहीं करते हैं serials में या web series में, and amazing locations. We've shot openly in Marine Drive. Once we shot the entire night in Leopold Cafe. So a lot of memories. The incident that happened over there. I mean, it's. I don't know what to say about that, but to talking about the funny moment. So हम लोग पूरी रात shoot कर रहे थे, and सुबह हुई हमें भूख लगी बड़ी जोर से, and we had to wrap up, and we were like हमने रात से कुछ खाया ही नहीं है, फिर सुबह हुई कुछ breakfast नहीं करे, हमने कहा यार सामने कैफे भी नहीं खुले, तो me, Aditi and our acting coach जो थी प्रीति, हमने कहा चलो भाग लेते हैं. तो जैसे ही शॉट कट हुआ हम लोग बाहर गए, और we just wanted to have a quick bite, sandwich and stuff. तो वो लोग गाड़ी में बैठे और इतनी देर में मुझे बुला लिया. I was like, मेरा क्यों शॉट रेडी यार, मुझे कुछ खा के आने दो. नहीं तो literally the ADs had to pull me out. नहीं सर चलो. तो since we had to wrap up, so मतलब मैंने बोला उनको just आप लोग मेरे लिए कुछ पैक करा के लिएगा. I'll just give the shot and then come back. So I mean,
what's
just
your
like
favorite food?
Oh, I'm a big foodie. I mean, I like anything and everything, especially non-vegetarian. So butter chicken, Mughlai chicken. I'm not too fond of Lebanese food. I really like, and sometimes fish. Shahi paneer I love. Dal makhni I love. So any vegetarian restaurant I go to, I think that I order is shahi paneer and dal makhni. That's a staple, I think, for me.
So if
Nothing
right now
else.
you had to go to a restaurant right away, which one would it be?
No personal favorites, yeah. I don't know as such. I really go out. Honestly, I really go out to restaurants,
So from where
but I
would
don't
you
wanna.
call?
I don't wanna market any brand right now.
Okay, if right now you had to eat something, what would it be?
I think cheese burst pizza. Like
Okay.
literally cheese burst
Literally,
pizza. I would
वो
want.
नाम भी नहीं था, पिज्जा कहीं mention भी नहीं हुआ. I like shahi paneer, I like butter chicken, I like this, I like that. And suddenly, what do you want to eat? Pizza.
No, एकदम से ना आपने बोला ना कि क्या खाना है तो मैंने कहा यार चीज बर्स्ट पिज्जा खाना है. So yeah, and I also love tandoori chicken, यार. Are you a non-vegetarian or a vegetarian?
Totally.
Yeah, I can kill for sweets and non-vegetarian.
Yes, for me, it is like butter chicken. Obviously, is the favorite. But
Oh,
if there's
yeah.
chicken and mutton, then obviously I go towards mutton, like nihari and all of
Oh,
that. And then butter chicken, and I go, okay,
you
you
know what?
ate, I'll come
Mumbai
back.
does not have good. I mean, nobody sells good mutton biryani here. I mean, I am so missing Delhi.
Yeah, you can't compare the Indian food when it comes to masala and all that. Okay, we've lost your voice. You're not audible. What's happening is what you're saying, but I can't hear it. If I can lip read correct. Do you want to exit out and come back? Guys, can you all hear us? Because I can't hear him. The questions are asked me to ask, I've already asked. Is there anything else that you all want to know? You, Radhika Kanyati says she wants to meet Zen. Asima, Zen, Salam. I'm sure he has said salam to all of you. And Zen has left, but that's only because there was a technical error and he's going to come back right away. I'm going to send him another request. So let's send him a request. Hey Vivek. Ruxa Sendodel, hello.
Yes.
Yes, now we can hear you again. I think network को भी भूख लगी थी जितना हम खाने की बात कर रहे थे. Like suddenly.
Oh damn!
you were
Yes, I
like,
guess so. नेटवर्क भी 2 मिनट के लिए चला गया था, but here we are again.
हाँ, तो हम दिल्ली के बिरयानी की बात कर रहे थे.
Delhi ki biryani and Delhi ki mutton nihari is something that I relish, and I can go to Jama Masjid and have the वहाँ पे Al Jawahar and Kareem's है. I can have it like day and night over there. Oof, what mutton nihari!
अब तो फिलहाल वो वाला करीम्स बांद्रा में खुला है, where I am dying to go and try because it's the same Kareem's which has opened in Bandra.
Is it the main
Yes.
genuine one, like the main real?
Yeah, so they are literally promoting it as the Jama Masjid wala Kareem opened in Bandra. So that's one reason I want to go and try it.
Oh, so let's go together soon.
Let's do that. Let's do the biryani session on that.
Oh yeah.
But सिर्फ लेट मत हो ना. अभी जैसे dubbing के लिए था, where I'm like,
Oh.
अच्छा कितने टाइम में कितने टाइम में.
No, I'm never late. It's just that I was like texting you and dubbing as well, and texting you dubbing.
Yeah,
you
I was like, listen, it's okay, just dub, we'll go on live. Like, I was feeling bad. So like, okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
No, because I'm never late, and since 3 hours I was dubbing over there, like 2 hours. उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि half an hour में complete हो जाएगा, and it took what all? So I had to finish the entire dubbing because it's around the corner now. I was like, I'm not gonna come back. Let's just finish it today. So complete
So
करके आ गए.
we've spoken about Crash, and everyone is waiting about Crash. But we would like to also talk about the other shows that you've done, because all your fans here are naming all your other shows. They're talking about Kaisi Ye Yaariyan, they're talking about Namkaran. So have you
No.
always decided कि acting करनी है?
No, I mean ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि acting करनी है and पहले से I'd already decided that. No, I just moved to Mumbai. I was working with American Express back in Delhi. I had a corporate job. I am an MBA. So उसके बाद I was modeling as well side by side. So it just happened कि यार, see, I want to be my own king. You know, I really cannot work under somebody. So I was like, and you know, in corporates, you keep on fighting with the seniors, with the superiors, and you know, जिस तरह से काम करना है. So I do my work according to myself. You know, जिस तरह से अगर आपको productive work चाहिए तो मेरी तरह से काम करो. So here in serials, I work according to me, according to my own conditions and terms. So बस मैं आया and I started with ads and stuff. तो फिर then वो struggle जो होता है initially 1-2 साल का वो किया. Ads से ज़्यादा पैसा तो आता नहीं है, you know it, right? So I was like having a difficult time to survive over here because I didn't want to ask for money from home. Whatever savings I had from my previous job, I put in everything and survived. And then you know I had to start something. So I started auditioning for TV shows. Then Kaisi Arya happened. Then I got the show in lead. Then Tashnish. So Tashnish was the main breaking point, and then there wasn't any looking back. I've been doing shows, Khatron Ke Khiladi and Namkaran. So yeah, no looking back since then.
Touch wood. And you never look back. But tell me, when you got the award for your show, you know, for the negative role that you played, how was it holding the award?
Yeah. Oh,
The
it was.
whole
I felt
feeling.
like it felt like Oscars, you know, for me. Initially, I was like, okay, pehla award hai, pehle show mein mila. But then now it's like very, you know, I'm very used to it. The award now, these days, I don't even feel like going to award functions. You know, it's like that. I'm like, it feels like I'm Amir Khan TV ka. so, so अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार I don't know, अगर फैंस अप्रिशिएट करते हैं या आपको कोई राह चलते कोई इंसान अप्रिशिएट करता है, आई थिंक दैट लिटिल हैप्पीनेस दैट्स मोर रिवॉर्डिंग फॉर मी इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग एन अवार्ड एज सच. बट यही है, चलो ठीक है, कोई अगर दे देता है, आई जस्ट गो देयर, रिसीव इट एंड कम बैक. यू नो, आई हार्डली स्टे एट द अवार्ड फंक्शन. I don't know. Probably I just, is it probably because of my upbringing, or probably it's because I try to stay down to earth. Yeah, you know, there's no air about, you know, there shouldn't be any air about what you are or who you are. So I feel I want to be connected to the ground. You know? Like कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसा उड़ना नहीं चाहता.
Especially to be here and try to be grounded is one of the most difficult things. That is something
You know
that
how
one
it
needs
is.
to balance.
Yeah, you know how it is.
So I totally understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
So Zen, tell me, when you were in Khatron Ke Khiladi, you're literally facing your fears. You don't know what's next, and you know, participating in that show. What
Yes.
was it like when you had to face your fears?
Well, I had a phobia of heights, and the very first stunt that we did, I won that stunt. I had to jump off a 50-floor cliff, like a building, and it was damn scary for me. But you know, that was one show that I really wanted to do in my entire life, the one reality show, and I did it. When they approached me, I said yes. But yes, to face so many fears, like being around snakes and iguanas, and into a cage, picking up snakes and doing what not, being around rats. So that was something that, you know, that in normal life you would never do. But I got a chance to do it. It was scary, but at the same time, I somehow was able to conquer my fear as well of heights. Now I want to go to Dubai and try skydive.
Oh, the jumping fear is gone, and because you won, now you're like, let me go to another level only.
I just won that particular stunt. I didn't win the entire season. But हाँ, confidence भाई का है.
Okay, If there is a particular show that you would like to be a part of now, which one would it be?
Like a reality show or like a normal?
A reality show or a game show? If you had to be a part of it now, which one would it be?
Are you connecting me to Big Boss? No.
I am just asking. You never know who connects where.
No. Big Boss is not my cup of tea. I don't know. Probably अगर मैं कहीं वहाँ जाऊँगा किसी का सर फोड़ के आ जाऊँगा. So I don't know. I'm not a Big Boss material as such. I would say a lot of people keep on asking me, why didn't you go to Big Boss and this and that. I feel this is not the right time for me. I'm doing well in my career and mashallah say, and I feel for Big Boss or other reality shows, you have to have a different mindset, which I don't know. I don't have that mindset. I mean, I'm very happy creatively involving myself in the shows that I like. Like these days, I've moved from TV to web, so I'm just trying to figure out, how to expand my horizon. So वही चीज है. फिलहाल web space is my fave thing right now. Not any reality shows. Yeah, not a big fan of reality shows.
So from corporate to ads to TV, and now TV to web. What next?
You know what next?
I know. I just want to hear it.
No, I'm just waiting for the right break, or probably when you don't have a MyBap in movies or on the big screen, then you have to work really hard to reach where you would want to reach. So I'm just trying my level best to outperform myself and work really hard into slowly, and I feel slowly and gradually works for you and for me as well. Whatever has happened till now in my life has happened slowly and gradually, and जो भी मैंने चाहा है अपनी जो भी सोचा है वो मिला है मुझे, and मैं पूरी dedication के साथ लग जाता हूँ. So next of course move वो है, but देखते हैं जब भी कुछ लगेगा कि अच्छा है या अच्छा आया है, then why not यार. I mean कुछ अच्छा content होगा तो we'll see.
Which is the best compliment that has stayed with you till date?
This is like a bit cheesy that one of I don't know, that one of the girls told me once, like an acquaintance. It's a bit cheesy, okay? She said that your lips are so luscious that if we kiss on them, it's gonna melt. I was like, what?
Okay,
that's quite cheesy, but like I told you, I'll take it as a compliment. Anyway,
okay, somebody told you besides something like this, and you were like, "What is this person saying?"
Yeah, पता नहीं. I keep on meeting people, then they say कि यारे आप उसकी तरह लगते हो जो टीवी में आते हैं. तो मैं कभी कभी आई जस्ट प्ले अराउंड. मैं कहा हाँ यार, काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि मैं वैसी लगता है वो टीवी में आता है. क्या नाम है उसका? हाँ वो like that. So I just play around with them and don't let them know कि यार I am the same person they're referring to.
Okay, now we're gonna play a quick just so that romantic movie or action movie?
Action movie.
Favorite action movie?
See, I'm a big fan of Tom Cruise, so I like all the Mission Impossible series. Yeah, all the movies.
Historical or mythological?
None actually. Not a fan of mytho, and historical bhi nahi. I think I live into the current.
Comedy or drama?
I like comedy. I like doing comedy. And but drama is something that I've done since now till now, and comedy is something I want to explore.
If you had to be a part of a classical movie, which one would it be?
Like a Mughal-e-Azam sorts? Yeah, beta.
If you had to quote a movie dialogue to somebody, which one would it be?
See, I really like John as a person, so I could recall a dialogue from Dhoom once again, because I have a fetish for bikes. I recently bought a Triumph Bonneville, so I'm also a biker like John Bhai, and उनका एक dialogue है जो मुझे बड़ा पसंद है. He says 18 करोड़ मैं अकेले ही चुरा सकता हूँ. लेकिन जो मेरे साथ नहीं वो मेरे पीछे भी नहीं आएगा. And then he has this walk in slow-mo. Oh, what heroic walk. Amazing.
Okay, now I'm gonna take names of some shows and the first thing that comes to your mind. Tashan-e-Ishq.
My heart and soul, because that's what gave me the popularity of getting to television.
Namkaran.
Another super duper hit show, and you know, Mahesh Bhatt Saab's baby it was. So it's like another show that's very close to my heart.
Lal Ishq.
Experiment.
Ishaqbaz.
Brilliant cameo. Yeah, brilliant cameo.
Ye Waada Raha.
Yeah. It was like I think a disaster.
Khatron Ke Khiladi.
Oh damn. Once in a lifetime experience.
Kaisi Ye Yaariyan.
Learned a lot in front of the camera, being in front of the camera from there.
Ek Brahm Sarvagun Sampann.
I think that was my last outing into the television screen, and I love that show as well. And it's like, yeah, it's no Brahm to do a Sargun Sampan.
Rohan Mehra.
Rohan Mehra I've known pehle se, or we're like hi hello friends sorts. But now since we've worked together, we will be meeting quite often.
Aditi Sharma.
Aditi Sharma is like a bubbly, wild hen into the wilds.
Anushka Sen.
Oh, I call her Lilliput. She's a sweetheart, and she's a real star.
Kunj Anand.
Kunj Anand, Mucho ke Sartaj Badshah.
Old Balaji.
Old Balaji is the new thing, and now since I've entered into it, let's make it all the more large.
Ekta Kapoor.
She's like an idol, I would say. Ekta ma'am. This is the first time working with her. She's like an idol, and she's the boss lady. She's the queen.
Z5.
Z5 is again, it's very close to my heart. My first, I would say, my first family, I guess, Z, because Z is when I started my first lead show in. So Z is family.
Chitter Chatter.
Chitter Chatter, oh ho ho, it's got you. It has to be lovely. It's an amazing chat show. And घर बैठे मजे करो. It's like that. You know, it's one line.
And if you had to describe yourself in 3 words?
3 words बहुत कम होंगे यार. I think
Just 5.
5. I think sweet, innocent, down to earth, naughty, supportive, and very positive.
Crash.
Crash. Crash. Looking forward to it.
Thank you, Zen, for this lovely chitter chatter, and it was worth the wait. It was great fun. I'm sure even your fans have to say the same. They would want much more, but we're going to trouble you again for many more chitter chatters down the line.
Yes, inshallah. I'll be more than happy to join you. Had a great fun.
And something before we sign out for your fans out there?
Well, I just want to tell them that, they should watch Crash on 14th of February. It's got everything that you would want to see. It's all clean, so you can watch with your family, with your kids, whoever you want to watch it with. So please watch it and let us know how you felt.
So guys, enjoy your Valentine watching Crash, and have a great weekend. Thank you, Zen, once again for this chitter chatter.
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.